selling dope, selling dope. Okay, the neighbors think I'm selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. Yeah. I don't want no picture with the president, I just wanna talk to the man. Speak for the boys in the bando, and my nigga never walking again. Apologize if I'm harping again, I know these things happen often, but I'm back on the scene. I was lost in a dream as I write this a teen down in Austin. I've been building me a house back home in the South, ma won't believe what it's costing. And it's fit for a king, right? Or a nigga that can sing and explain all the pain that it cost him. My 16 should've came with a coffin. Fuck the fame and the fortune, well maybe not the fortune, but one thing is for sure, that the fame is exhausting. That's why I moved away, I needed privacy, surrounded by the trees in Ivy League.